We are going nowhere today, but we're just gonna have a little makeup therapy. Going in with my No Pore Blend Primer by Touch in Sol. A little bit of Lumi Glotion. Next, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow in Medium. This is a lighter shade of the Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm just gonna put this on top too. Using my IT Cosmetics brush to blend it out. Taking the sponge and blending that into the skin. So I don't know what I'm doing, but my IT Cosmetics CC cream is almost gone, so I put that on the back of my hand, and then I'm also going to use my Maybelline Super Stay Skin Tint. Hopefully this looks okay when we blend her out. Blending with the sponge again. This is what it's looking like so far. This could be the wrong choice, but I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. Once again, we are blending. Next is e.l.f. Halo Contour Wand. Next, I'm taking a brush like this and I'm blending everything out. On my cheekbone, I will blend up in an upwards motion. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Wonder Stick, and I'm gonna put it like right there. This is how we're looking. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and I'm just putting it down the bridge of my nose here. Next, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer placement. Next, I'm taking a brush that looks like this, and I'm going to blend here, 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 and my forehead. Taking my sponge and blending underneath the eyes. Just going to try to brighten up the under eye a little bit more. I'm going to use the NYX Bear With Me. I put it on the back of my hand. I'm going to dab my sponge in like this, and then just blend very precisely where I want to go. This is how we're looking. For blush, I'm going to mix all 3 shades of my Rare Beauty liquid blush in Happy, Hope, and Bliss. This is the placement, and then we're just going to blend with a sponge. Focusing right here, and then just dragging it out and going up the temple. Then I'm going in with my Morphe lip and cheek tint on top in Rosy Wishes, and I'm just going to put that here and then blend with a sponge. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of my Fenty Beauty setting powder and just lightly set underneath the eye. Also on the forehead and down the bridge of the nose. Next, I'm going in with Jaclyn Hill Brightening Lilac, using a light hand and then just going underneath the eyes like this. Same thing on the other side. Then, per usual, I'm going in with my Lorac Contour Palette, using the light and medium shades and just warming up the face. For blush, I'm using my Jaclyn Hill Rogue Affair palette, going in with a little bit of Fantasy, and then Revlon Ravishing Rose. So pretty. To set my brows, I'm using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Just brushing the brows in an upward motion. Now that those are set, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I'm going to do my brows off camera. Next, I'm going in with my Tinted Brow Mascara by NYX, and it is in the color Espresso. This is very pigmented, so I just use a very light hand. This is the original Naked palette. I refuse to throw it away. I've had it probably since college, so don't judge me. Using a brush that looks like this, going in with the color Buck, and then just putting that in my crease. Next, I'm going in with my Naked Heat palette and using the color Cayenne, and then also going in my crease with that. Then I'm going in with the color Ounce and putting that on my brow bone. Then I'm taking that same Cayenne shade that I put in my crease and putting it on my waterline. Then I'm going to take Enfuego and Ashes and put that on my waterline as well. Next, I'm going in with my ColourPop It's Mood palette and using the shades Love Song and Dream On and just putting that on the lid. Going back into my original Urban Decay Naked palette and using the color Half Baked and just putting that in the corners of my eye. This is what it's looking like. Then we curl. For my first layer of mascara, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Telescopic. I'll say it a million times, it truly makes your lashes so long. For my second layer, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. Taking L'Oreal Voluminous Original in Burgundy and doing that on my lower lashes. Last up is I'm taking the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Translucent Powder and just lightly brushing that on the face. And here is the final look, up close and personal. What do we think?